Um, let's see. What am I doing? Okay. I am trying to, well, first of all, why is introing videos so hard? I think the more you do, obviously, you'll get like in the routine of what you say and stuff. um, and then my mic keeps picking up so much. Maybe I need to turn my mic volume down. I'm working on these pictures of Molly this week. Molly is our youngest daughter. She put together this outfit and wanted to do a photo shoot with it. And this was like super last minute. I was just kind of like, she said, "Can we do a photo shoot?" And I was like, "Yes, let's go." Um, I didn't really know what direction. Usually, when I have something that I know I'm shooting, I kind of can think about it and have an idea, a general idea of what I want to do for the shoot. I didn't this day because it was so last minute, and also, I didn't know what kind of outfit she was going to end up with. So this was just like, I just kind of came up with it. came up. I find myself doing that often, just not knowing, going into a shoot, not knowing how I'm going to approach it, and then um, it just works out okay. um, this day was really windy, and I wasn't really pleased with the light. We were losing daylight, and it was kind of this cool light. I can't describe it, but um, during my color correcting process, I realized that I just was not feeling these pictures. But that's pretty typical for me, honestly. I have to like step away from a shoot for a while. So this was back in April, and she's been waiting on these. I've been focusing on she is our oldest daughter, on her senior stuff. But now I can finally go back and do some of my other shoots. Anyways, so it was really windy, and I decided to try to get some of that movement, the hair movement. I was really happy with how this series turned out. Actually, all of them. Looking back at them, I keep opening this one. This one is my raw, but you can see my metadata up here, how I shot it, and as you could see, there's even movement right here, and then this one. I wish I would have panned left a bit and then but I mean, I was shooting so quickly, or like, that's not what I meant. I was really focusing on being still, obviously. So, yeah. I warmed these up just a bit, and I think I'm happy with them overall. But yeah, I'm trying to decide how to go about recording my videos. I like what I want to talk about. I kind of want to talk through editing, but also I get really, oh gosh, I keep opening my raw files. I get really distracted, and then I end up not doing the editing that I need to do. Let me open these and I'll show you that. If you have any ideas of things you would like me to talk about, let me know. So these, I was really happy with my sharpness. I preserved the facial sharpness, and while still getting this blur in the hair. Especially some of them are better than others. Like this right here, I mean, yeah, I was really happy with that. The framing and everything, I didn't like, yeah. This maybe like if I look too close, I'll be like, maybe I should have. That's just the way I am. I like to keep my images super clean whenever I'm doing my color correcting and retouching and stuff. I want it to almost look unedited, and especially with my retouching, because I I really like a really natural look. That's just the way I prefer it. So with these, I thought maybe I would go the route of like a fantasy color, and I tested some stuff out and I just wasn't happy with it. That's just not my style. Um, and so I just settled on a clean edit, and I'm really happy with it. But see this movement, even movement here, movement here. And I was waiting because the wind was gusting. So the wind would gust and I would shoot, and then when the wind stopped, then I would like let her take a break. and and then I would be like, okay, get ready. And then she would pose, and then the wind would gust and I would shoot. So um, yeah. So that's what I'm working on this week. What I would like to do is talk about how I do retouch the skin. Just like general retouching, any sort of backgrounds. This I'm noticing is a bit crooked. I don't know. Yeah, but those will be like separate videos, obviously. I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do today, and I'm feeling kind of stuck. Like, I have all these sessions to edit, but I really don't want to do them. I don't know if it's just because it's summertime and I really just want to be outside. But I also really want to get these done because I am, like, they just turned out so good. Yeah, but if you're watching this and you have any ideas, suggestions, anything you would like me to show you as far as Photoshop or Camera Raw, or even talking about like how I approach photo shoots, I would be super grateful for any input from anybody. Yeah. So also if you could like this video, subscribe. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook. Maybe you can find me on there. I don't know what my Facebook settings are. I'm not that active on either one, but I am trying to get better. Yeah, so thanks for watching.